This is the elevator at the Seacoast Bank Building off Fruitville Road in Sarasota, Florida. We've got an O Series 5 with padding on the walls. Let's go 2. Go back to 1. This is the address right here, 5101 Fruitville Road. It's really nice not having the fan on. So many Series 5, the fan is on. And let's end the video down at 1. 2,500 pound capacity. The firefighter's operation cabinet door is a little out of place.